About me, hey, hear me out. 3 kids is a lot. Hey y'all, maybe I should spit this gum out. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Hey y'all, my name is Nicole. All right, I'm doing too much. Okay. Hey y'all, my name is Nicole. This is just a video basically telling you guys what to expect from my channel. Hey y'all, my name is Nicole, and basically I'm making this video to let you guys know what to expect from my channel and a little about me. Okay, so my name is Nicole. I'm 28. I have 3 young kids. I am a fiance. I'm in the process of also rebuilding my brand from Cold Slays into something bigger, which is Novera Luxe. I am a hairstylist, but I want to go bigger, big time, and do content creation and things like that. I'm also a student, exploring whether I want to be in the nursing field, do sonography, respiratory tech, things like that. However, I don't want to do hair for the rest of my life. I want to do hair, but not as much as I do it now. Like, it's legit full time for me, and I don't want to do that forever. However, I want you guys to check my journey with my weight loss, my journey with opening my salon suites, expanding my small business into a big business, the process of me buying a house. I would like to buy a house next year, and it's all new to me. I really don't know what to expect, so I want you guys to follow me on that journey. And also I'm going to be doing like little vlogs and things like that, like real videos of me in mommy mode, like just everyday life. Like, 3 kids is a lot. Hear me out. 3 kids is a lot. It's not a lot, but it's a lot, especially like if the day is just like, or you just not having a good day or something. It's a lot. It can be a lot, but my babies are just such sweethearts. They all have their own personalities and things like that. But I just want to welcome you guys to my channel, NicoleLanii. Subscribe and like, and just like interact with me. We are family now. Like, we're fam. What's up, fam? Stay tuned and let's follow this journey. Bye, guys. I just wanted to eat my gum again. What am I doing? Saying ASMR. Tell me about you, I'll tell you about me. Hey, hey. Ow, my foot. Ah, my foot. I'm out of here.